In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your store from Printify. If you're changing platforms, troubleshooting a connection, or simply cleaning up old integrations, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to safely disconnect a store from your Printify account. I'll also point out a few tips so you understand what changes after you disconnect. Start by opening your Printify account and navigating to a product page to anchor yourself in the dashboard. For example, you can open a product like the unisex jersey short sleeve tee, Bella Paul Canvas 3001. The specific product isn't important for disconnecting a store, but being on the main dashboard or a product page makes it easy to access the store controls at the top of the screen. Look to the top left of the Printify interface and click on your store name. This is the store selector, and it's where you can switch between connected stores. If you have more than one, make sure you're aware of which one you actually intend to disconnect so you don't detach the wrong integration. From the menu that appears, select Manage My Stores. This opens a dedicated page listing all stores currently connected to your Printify account across the different platforms you use. It's a helpful overview for quickly confirming which stores are active and which one you plan to disconnect. Find the store you want to remove and click the three dots next to it. Those three dots reveal the options menu for that specific store. Double check the store name here, especially if multiple stores have similar titles. Taking a moment to verify now helps prevent accidental disconnections. Choose Disconnect from the menu. Before you proceed, keep in mind what this action does. Disconnecting stops product syncing and order automation between Printify and that specific store. Your existing products inside Printify aren't deleted, and your listings on your e-commerce platform typically remain, but they will no longer receive updates from Printify, and new orders won't be sent to Printify automatically from that store. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes, Disconnect to finalize. This confirms you understand the change and prevents accidental clicks. After this, the store will no longer appear as an active connection in your list. If you ever need to reconnect later, you can return to the same Manage My Stores area and re-establish the integration with your chosen platform. That's it. You've successfully disconnected your store from Printify. Before wrapping up, consider checking for any pending orders and ensuring your team knows about the change so nothing gets missed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Printify connections with confidence.